nation. Last week, Your Excellency, you assented to 8 bills that are now acts of parliament. Amongst those bills were 2 land amendment bills. One of those bills was sponsored by the member for Ruiru, Mheshimiwa King'ara, protecting public land, to say that all public land, that is any land that is alienated for public use, must be titled, and that title either registered in the name of the county government or in the PS National Treasury's name. Ile bill ingine ya National Lands Commission amendment ilikuwa pia ipee watu ambao wamekuwa na historical land injustices nafasi ya miaka ingine 5 warekebishiwe the historical land injustices. Mheshimiwa Rais, nimeona kwa mitandao ikisemekana uli assent bill ambayo inatoza ushuru freehold land. And I want to confirm to the country, there is no such bill that is levying taxes on our freehold land. What has been circulated on social media is fake news, Bishop. Pia Rais anaambiwa alitia sahihi bill ambayo sasa itafanya watu wasisemezane kwa mitandao, the Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Act or Amendment Bill. Bishop, the truth is, the Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Act was assented to by President Uhuru Kenyatta in May of 2018. The provisions of Section 27, which I saw even a judge of the High Court yesterday being misled by the culture of misinformation to suspend, were assented to by President Uhuru Kenyatta in 2018. The Bloggers Association of Kenya went to court in 2018. Justice Makau suspended those provisions. Upon hearing of the case, Justice Makau lifted that suspension and said all the provisions of that bill or that act were constitutional. Today, another judge of the High Court has been misled by that culture of misinformation and disinformation to suspend provisions of a bill that is fake on social media. Bishop, na ndio nilifurahi wakati nilisikia ukihubiri hapo mambo ya ukweli. Jana nimesikia viongozi wa kanisa wakikemea rais sababu ya kutia sahihi the Computer Misuse and Cybercrimes Amendment Act of 2025. What is that act doing? The Amendment Act, sababu ni marekebisho ya ile sheria ya 2018